My name is Ms. Rekha, and I am an early learning educator. I work at Oakview Preschool. I've worked for the Ocean View School District for 19 years, and I've been at Oakview Preschool for 18 years.
Rekha, being a preschool educator, is really the face of school for the first time for many of these children. For her to be able to care for each and every person that she comes in contact with is what we want our education system to reflect, and Rekha reflects that.
She is the person I want to be when I grow up, to be honest with you. She has done so much for this community, for our school, and for her peers. She's not the kind of person who likes the limelight, so Rekha, I'm sorry. but we had to, because you're amazing. I was on the phone and she didn't want to interrupt me, so she just kind of came at me with her hands like this, "What did you do?" And I said, I had to. You were amazing. You've always been amazing. You're consistently just the best person I know. So if anyone deserves this, it's you.
I've had the privilege of not only being a coworker with her, but also being one of her parents for 2 years. And it was during the most stressful time possible, which was the beginning of COVID. And she constantly made my child feel safe when he was here. And he always loved coming to school. I mean, he's in kinder now and he still talks about her. And the fact that a child can tell me that he loves this person so much and still misses her years after, that's the kind of impact she has on the students.
So the children are with me 9 hours, 12 months year round, through holidays. So they become a part of my family in the classroom, the part of the community. They're with me so long that I need to provide them with the love and support that they would probably get at home too.
I know that she really thinks about the families, and I know that I've seen her, bring clothes or food to a family member who might need it. And I know that she has constantly advocated for this community. A few years ago, she actually worked really, really hard to make sure that the trash disposal company across the street was held accountable for their actions. They had not sealed the top of their waste disposal, and a lot of the trash was flying into our school. It was creating a lot of problems for our students and their health. And she made sure that she was part of the fight to make sure that we could get the trash disposal sealed. Our school won a gym. They even gave every classroom an air purifier to make sure that our schools are safe.
She has the biggest heart for the community. She makes sure that she knows of the different services that we have to offer here at our program, but also around the city. And she makes sure that she connects the people that needs to be connected. Like if there's a family or somebody who is struggling to maybe have enough food, she will connect them to a place like a food bank or things like that. She has a heart of gold.
She is dedicated to the mission without even really realizing it. She jumps into things because she believes in a better life for others, whether it's a student, a staff member, a community member. She is really good at helping others to understand each other. And that's what we need in our world today. We talk about our mission statement, improving the lives of our members, students, and community, and we don't always talk about what that means. She lets others know that there is a voice that will fight for them, there is a person that will take care of them, and that they can achieve because of the encouragement that she gives.
So the union has been very important for me because of my own journey, of my own struggles. I didn't feel supported. I did not feel that I was listened to. It became a very negative part of my journey through the issue that I had. I know how it felt. I know the pain that I went through and how it made me feel very little. I have been there. I know the pain, and I am here 100% to help people through theirs.
Rekha, you are amazing. You have improved the lives of your coworkers around you. You are an asset to our Chapter 375, and you make my job a lot easier as the Chief Union Steward. We are creating an environment of kindness and respect, not just for our students, not just for our community, but for each other. We need to stand with each other and provide strength to each other, and you are providing that. Congratulations, you deserve to be the Member of the Year. I love you, and continue the amazing work you do.
I thank you from the bottom of my heart for doing what you do, for bringing joy to the kids, to the families, and for always helping those around you and just trying to make our school and program and overall community just a better place for our kids who are our future. And I thank you for that. Jonah thanks you for that. And we love you and congratulations.
Rekha, thank you so much for all of that you've done for me. I know that you've done a lot for everyone else too, but personally, I know that you've helped me through a lot of really hard times. And whether it is something at work or something at home, you have always taken the time out of your busy, busy schedule. So thank you. Thank you for everything that you've done. You've gotten us through a pandemic, which is amazing. Thank you for being the first person to come back to the classroom and show us it was going to be okay. You put a lot of things in place to make sure that when we came back, that we were going to be ready and that we were going to be okay. And I will always be grateful for that.
When I reach out to my coworkers, I'm reaching out to hear them, to make sure that they're at the place, the safe place and confident place that they need to be. And the union, it's made me even a different person. It's brought me confidence and know that I have something to give. So my message to you is to empower those around you. Empower them to be able to empower others, no matter what they bring to you. Give them the time and give them the compassion to help them.